In this video, we are going to solve x square minus x plus 6. This is equals to 2 times square root of x cube plus 8. And here we will find out the value of x, and x belongs to real number. So here look carefully in left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side we have a quadratic equation and right hand side we have a radical expression. Inside radical expression we have x cube plus 8. So we know that the algebraic identity of x cube plus y cube, this is equals to x plus y is multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square. Now here if we substitute y is equals to 2, then x cube plus 2 cube, this is equals to x plus 2 is multiplied by x square minus this y is replaced by 2, then 2 times x, and this y is replaced by 2, then 2 square is plus 4. Here 2 power 3 is same as 8. So we have x cube plus 8. This is equals to x plus 2 is multiplied by x square minus 2x plus 4. Now the given expression is x square minus x plus 6. This is equals to 2 times square root of, and x cube plus 8 is replaced by this expression, that is x plus 2 times x square minus 2 times x plus 4. Look carefully in left hand side, x square and this negative x is same as minus 2 times x plus x, and this 6 is same as 4 plus 2, and this is equals to 2 times square root of x plus 2 is multiplied by x square minus 2 times x plus 4. In left hand side, x square minus 2x and this plus 4. Here x square minus 2 times x plus 4, and then x plus 2 plus x plus 2, and this is equals to, we know that square root of a times b, this is equals to square root of a times square root of b. If we apply this rule here, then this is 2 times square root of here x plus 2 times square root of x square minus 2 times x plus 4. Now first we will write this x plus 2 plus, and then x square minus 2 times x plus 4, and this is equals to 2 times square root of x plus 2 times square root of x square minus 2 times x plus 4. Here we know that a is equals to square root of a square. By using this rule, x plus 2, this is equals to square root of x plus 2 whole square, and x square minus 2 times x plus 4, this is equals to square root of x square minus 2 times x plus 4 bracket power 2. Now this x plus 2 is replaced by square root of x plus 2 whole square plus, and x square minus 2x plus 4 is replaced by square root of x square minus 2 times x plus 4 bracket power 2, And this whole expression, if we take in left hand side, then minus 2 times square root of x plus 2 is multiplied by square root of x square minus 2 times x plus 4, and this is equals to 0. Now if we substitute square root of x plus 2, this is equals to a, and square root of x square minus 2 times x plus 4, this is equals to b. Then in left hand side, a square plus this expression is replaced by b, then b square minus 2 times this expression is a and this expression is b, and this is equals to 0. We know that a square plus b square minus 2 times ab, this is equals to 0. A square plus b square minus 2 times ab, this is equals to a minus b whole square. So it means a minus b whole square, this is equals to 0. And we know that if a square is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0. So a minus b is equals to 0, it means a minus b, this is equals to 0. And we know that value of a is square root of x plus 2. So here this a is replaced by x plus 2 minus, and this b is replaced by square root of x square minus 2x plus 4. Square root of x square and minus 2x plus 4, and this is equals to 0. Now if this expression, if we take in right hand side, then in left hand side x plus 2, and this is equals to square root of x square minus 2 times x plus 4. Now if we take square both side, then in left hand side this square is cancelled out by this square root, and in right hand side this square root is cancelled out by this square. Then x plus 2, this is equals to x square minus 2 times x plus 4. If we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus 2 times x plus 4 minus x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Then x square minus 2 times x minus x, this is minus 3 times x, 4 minus 2, this is plus 2, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of x. Here we will find out the value of x by using middle term split. X square, this minus 3 times x is same as minus 2 times x minus x plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully these first two terms. Here if we take common x, then x square is divided by x, then here x minus 2 times x is divided by x, then here minus 2. And look carefully these two terms. Here if we take common negative 1, then minus x is divided by minus 1, then we get x, and plus 2 divided by minus 1, then here minus 2, and this is equals to 0. X minus 2 and here x minus 2 is common. If we take x minus 2 is common, then x minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here product of x minus 2 to x minus 1, this is equals to 0. So it means x minus 2, this is equals to 0, or x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here value of x is 2 and here value of x is 1. Here we have two possible values of x. First value of x is 2 and second value of x is 1. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.